Good morning, class 5th. How are you? I'm your maths teacher, Jyoti. In last period, we study about Indian and international system. Today, we are going to discuss the same topics, but there will be something different. Like today, we will compare both the systems, in which terms they are different from each other. So it will be easy for you to understand those charts. You can do the questions easily. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, we should start now. So on page number 21 of your book, take out page number 21 of your book. A few things are here which you should know. On the top of this page, a turtle is given, and below him there is a comparison between Indian system and international system. For you, I note down, I made a chart for you so that it will be easy to you, more and more easy for you to understand what is the difference between the places, the terms used in Indian system and in international system. As we come down here, a cloud is given in which it is written that in both the systems 5 digits number are read the same way. See this table, just see this table. Here ones will remain same, tens will remain same, 100 will remain same, 1000 same, 10,000 same. Up to 10,000 our both systems are equal if we compare them, but from lakh of Indian system will become 100,000 of international system. 10 lakh of Indian system will become million of international system. Crore of Indian system will become 10 million of international system. And last, 10 crore of Indian system will become 100 million of international system. You have to learn these 4 points. You have to give your extra time to them, and all other points in starting will remain same for you. Okay, now after this, if we see at the bottom of this page, again there is some terms given which are comparing each other, just like 1 lakh of Indian system is equals to 100,000s of international system. See this last one. Yes, 10 lakhs of Indian system is 1 million in international system. In Indian system, 1 crore will equal to 10 millions of international system. And in last, 10 crores of Indian system will be 100 millions of international system. So if someone asks you how many lakhs are there in 1 million, you will say 10 lakhs. Or if someone asks you how many million are there in 10 lakhs, you will say 1 million. Okay, how much millions in 1 crore? 10 millions. Or how much crore in 10 millions? 1 crore. They will be equal if we read them. Okay, so you have to learn this. You should know what is the value of money in Indian system and what do we call them in international system. These are the most important terms which you should know. You are going to use it in real life also. When you move to further classes, when you move to other classes, you will know, and you have to study this topic deeply. So I think we should start now, because all the questions which are based on this topic is given from here. Question number 1, here we have to write each of the following numbers putting commas first in Indian system and then in international system. First of all, we will take a number, we will write that number into Indian system, and after that we have to write that number in international system. Also write the numbers in words in both the system. Also we have to write both the numbers in words also. Okay, so shall we start? Okay, we should start now. So class, your first question given on page number 21 is, you have to write the given number in Indian system and then in international system. So in this way you have to write down in your copies. For example, first question is given 906387. So how will you write that? So last time I give you a place value chart like this, and also you can use this image for comparing Indian system and international system. If you want, then I can repeat it for you. Here, see that ones will be same in above Indian system and in bottom international system. Tens will remain same, 100 will remain same, and up to 1000, 10,000 it will remain same. Almost the values will remain same. But here the lakh of Indian system will become 100,000, but zeros will remain same. 10 lakh of Indian system will become million of international system. Crore will become, just see this, crore will become 10 million and 10 crore will become 100 million. There is almost same zeros, but the difference is that in 100 in this Indian system, firstly we have to use zero, firstly we put comma after 3 values, then after 2 values of gap. ठीक है, firstly we will take 3 digits of gap, then 2 gap, 2 gap. And in international system it will remain almost same. We have to take 3 digits of gap and we have to put down the commas. So let's start question number 1. See, in Indian system my comma is after first of all 3 digits, that is 387. After that I put comma, then after that I take 2 more digits and then I place a comma. So 3222, we have to put comma in 3222 form. 322 in Indian system, and in international system we have to use 333. 333 in Indian system the formula will be 322, and in international system the formula will be 333. So how do we pronounce them? How do we pronounce them? So for your easiness, let's take out your chart. See this, this is Indian system place value chart, which I have already showed you in earlier video. So I will place these digits here and then we will pronounce that. We will start writing it from here. 7 8 3 6 0 9 already written. Then how do we pronounce that? 9 lakh 0, so we have to ignore this. 9 lakh 6,387. We will pronounce it 9 lakh 6,387 in Indian system. Now I will write down this into international place value in this international system. Okay, so how do we write this? 7 8 3 6 0 9. Now we will pronounce it together. 906,000 and 387 only. 906,000 and 387. That's it. And we have to put commas after 3 here, 1 2 3 here. Here are no digits, so we need not to put comma. This is how we will put comma. And in my Indian chart system, I will put comma like this: 1 2 3 here, 1 2, this section complete here. Now see this copy. I have written down like this: 1 2 3, 1 2 and 1 2. Here is nothing, so it will be here. We will pronounce it 9,06,387. And in international number system, we will pronounce it like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and hundred thousands. 906,000 and ये 387. 906,387. That's it. Now I will take a larger value than this and will show you how to pronounce it. Just see this. I have taken your question number 6 from your book given. Question number 6 is given. So according to Indian system, I have you will totally learn how to place commas 3 2 2 2 3 2 2 2 gap, and in international there will be 3 3 3. So how do we pronounce them? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so 42 crore, 85 lakh, 36,423. That's it. Very easy. And in international system, we will pronounce it 428 million 536,000, and in the last 23. Okay, you have to write like this. You have to write all this with black pen, whatever I have underlined. You have to write this with black pen, this question with black pen, and you have to make your copy like this. Okay, now second question is given in your book, which is write the greatest 8-digit number putting commas first in the Indian system and then in the international system. We have to do the same thing whatever we have done in this question, but here our given digit will be greatest 9-digit number. So what will be our greatest 9-digit number? This is our greatest 9-digit number. And what is the smallest? 100 and all. Okay, this is our greatest 8-digit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8-digit number. Okay, now I have to write down this in Indian system, so I will place comma like this: 3 2 2 2. Okay, so now we have to pronounce it: 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,000 and 999. Very easy. Now come to international system. We placed comma here after every 3. 3 2 2 2 in Indian system and 3 3 3 3 in international system. We will pronounce it 99 what? 99,999,999. That's it. Okay, just see this. If you have any kind of problem in this question, you can ask me. Also, I am sending a PDF to you. I will explain it to you first. See, give to you. In this I have done the 2 questions which we have done currently, and also this comparison is also done in easier way by me, and I have written it down here like this. See this. In Indian system, ones will remain ones and it will remain same up to 10,000. But after the series of 10,000 it will change, and lakh will become 100,000, 10 lakh will become million, crores will become 10 million, and 10 crores will become 100 million. You have to study this in this way. And also I have told you many times, you should know how many zeros are there in each value. In lakhs there will be 5 zeros, and same it will be in 100,000, and so on. You have to learn like this. You should know how many zeros are in that. So you have to done this work in your copy. You have to write down this page also in your copy. This one, the comparison which I have created here, you can easily see that how many zeros are there, and after how many zeros or how many digits you have to put comma. Okay, you should know this comparison, how we have done this. So I will share this to you also. Next, the values. What value of Indian system will be equal to which value of international system? You should have knowledge of that. And you have to do question number 1, 2, and 1, and you have to check this page number 20. You have to check. And also I have given you page number 11 and 12 as homework. I will share the same PDF to you after to the next week, up to Monday or Tuesday I will share that. So match your questions from there. And also one thing is there,